And this is news that is coming in from Telangana. The local body polls will be held without 42% backward caste reservation. Important update that we are getting regarding the local body elections in Telangana. Without 42% backward caste reservation, the development, remember, comes after the Telangana High Court in its order had stated that polling must go on, but without applying the 42% reservation as far as backward castes are concerned. Now, 4-week time has been allowed to the state to file a counter affidavit. 2 weeks thereafter is allowed to the petitioners to file a reply, and next hearing is scheduled only on the 3rd of December. My colleague Aneri Shah is joining us with all the details. Yes, Aneri.
Well, what we are seeing is that it's a major setback for the Congress government in the state of Telangana, because Congress government has been backing on the 42% BC reservation for a quite a long time. Since they have come to power, they had conducted the caste census in the state, and 42% BC reservation was one of the major push which the Congress government was trying for a quite a long time. But now this comes as a major setback after the High Court orders, where, however, High Court has given a stay on the GO number 9, an interim stay on the 42% BC reservation, but then High Court in its order has now given a clarification that the local body polls can be held without 42% reservation, and also at the same time court has very clearly stated that the government will have to file its counter affidavit within 4 weeks of time, and following which the petitioners will also have to give a reply within 2 weeks. So a total of 6 weeks of time. But then the local body polls do not change. They have to continue with the local body polls without the 42% of BC reservation. As an open category seats, they will have to continue with the polls, is what the High Court has given a statement in its order copy. They have given a clarity that the polls should go on, and also at the same time what we see is that the High Court has given an interim stay on GO number 9, 41 and 42. These 3 GOs have been put on stay until further orders. So that is the next hearing is on the 3rd of December. So we'll have to wait till what the High Court says. But then also at the same time, what will be the government's next move? The Congress government's next move also remains to be seen.
So are we learning of any counter affidavit that will come in from the Congress government? Anything that you're learning from your sources, Aneri?
Well, what we are being told is that as far as the government sources are concerned, yes, they have to file an counter affidavit within 4 weeks of time following the High Court orders. But then what will be the next move from the government, whether they will be going to the Supreme Court challenging the stay of the Telangana High Court or not, that remains to be seen. But also at the same time, what there will be a discussion that will be taken place with the Chief Minister over these High Court orders, is what we are being told through our sources.
Right, Aneri, thank you so much for all of that information. With that, we're shifting our focus